Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Olivin Kiyote and this is Olivin Kiyote rebranded. Today we are back with yet again another video, and today we are dealing with launch pools. It'll be a bit more step by step, and if you've been seeing my videos on my YouTube channel and you're not sure what launch pools are, you are in luck because I will be sharing everything today. Kindly like this video, subscribe to the channel, and yeah. So today we are going to be dealing with launch pools. The topic is how to earn free portal tokens. If you're watching this on YouTube and you do not have an account on Binance, I urge you to pause, head over to my description box, click this link. This link is linked in my description box. It is a referral link from ONR. If you've downloaded an app instead, you can copy paste the referral ID. And the last part is a letter O, like a capital O and not a zero. Anyone who signs up using my link within the next 4 days, you will be able to get free portal tokens. Please ensure to sign up. The first 100 people to sign up are getting free portal tokens airdropped to them by Binance. You can get free tokens on Binance. How are we getting these free tokens? I welcome you to the Binance Launchpool. Binance Launchpool is a section on Binance that guides new crypto startups on how best to launch into the market and advertise their tokens. All the coins in the crypto markets are actually companies except Bitcoin. So all these companies need to create a strategy of some sort for them to launch their products into the market. What do? They partner with Binance. Why? Because Binance is the leading crypto exchange platform in the world today. They have a very huge cohort of people around the world who use their platform. And the fact that Binance is also in more than 100 countries makes the work easier for these crypto startups to launch their products into the market. In return, the same crypto startup has to allocate some of its tokens to be distributed to the Binance ecosystem. Some of the advantages that these companies get for advertising on Binance is Binance ecosystem, marketing resources, millions of users, global exposure. I am in Africa, guys, in Kenya, because Binance has creators and users across the world. Fair token distribution, credibility, and review process. So another thing that you guys should know is a very thorough review process and vetting process that goes on, because again, it is on Binance reputation if they were to put a project that is not legit. That is also one of the ways many crypto investors can see if they believe in a project, because they're like, how was this project launched? Oh, you guys did it with Binance. Okay, you must be legit. And finally, the growth potential. Some of the tokens actually that have been launched on Binance, I have seen it for myself. They have done astronomical gains. Let me show you guys how launch pools work. I think now you have an idea of why exactly launch pools give us free money. Okay, they're giving us free money because this company wants to advertise. They come to Binance. Binance says, we have all these users across the world. We need to give them something. And they give Binance some money. Binance distributes this money across its users so that we actually pay attention to this project. Currently, the launch pool that is in the... Okay, so maybe before I say the launch pool that is in the market, you might be wondering how many launch pools have been in existence. 47 projects. Binance will always send you an announcement on your notifications tab. Let's go through now this particular launch pool. I want you to see the things that govern a launch pool, the rules that govern launch pools, because yes, money is being given, but guys, there are rules that align for you to be given this money. You don't just get this money because you're a Binance user. I want to say terms and conditions apply. So let me share with you guys the terms and conditions. So Portal is the 47th project for Binance Launchpool. The token name is Portal, and also the company name is called Portal. They have a token supply of 1 billion. The rewards that Binance has been allocated are 5%. 50 million Portal tokens, not $50 million. 50 million Portal tokens have been put aside for Binanceans, okay, for Binance users. So the launch pool is giving you details of what is being launched. The token has been built on top of the Ethereum blockchain. This is one of the rules for you to actually participate in a Launchpool, you need to have verified your account. You have to have the coins supported to receive the airdrop. For you to be considered as part of the Launchpool giveaway, you need to actually invest in crypto. And it's rewarding people who've actually invested on their platform and particularly in their token. So if you have Binance token in your account, so BNB, you are eligible to get the Launchpool rewards. Another coin is FDUSD. So I've even written here, the coins mostly supported are BNB, which is the Binance token, and FDUSD, which was introduced as an alternative to BUSD, also known as Fast Digital USD token. It's a stable coin. And in case you don't know what a stable coin is, it's basically a dollar, but in digital form. So that is one of the terms and conditions apply. If you have, let's say, $50 of BNB, or if you have $100 of FDUSD and your account is verified, you are automatically entered into a launch pool. But wait, there's also one more terms and condition. In case you're watching this on YouTube and you have never created an account on Binance, I will link this video in the description box below. I have a video to assist you to sign up and verify your account on Binance. Please watch it. It'll help you learn how to open it. I personally advise people to use ProtonMail. So ProtonMail is an encrypted email. It is much more secure. I've told you guys there are 3 rules to participate in a launch pool. Opening your account, getting it verified is one. Second one is having the coins that are supported. Please note, guys, you can have even $10. You can have even 20. You can even have 100 as long as you have the coins that are supported for the launch pool. The third terms and conditions apply, okay? You need to stake your coins. Now, if you don't have an account, you would obviously click our link first and then sign up. Don't just come and sign up without clicking our link. I would urge you to first click our link, okay? Okay. So apart from that, don't forget, if you use our link anywhere between now and the 4 days left for this launch pool, Binance will automatically airdrop you free portal tokens. The first 100 people to sign up. I personally don't know if you're at 50 or 90. So if you're watching this and you don't have an account on Binance, kindly sign up. Also, on top, you get $100 rewards. So guys, utilize this chance. When you are on desktop, you usually come to more, and then you come to Launchpad and Launchpool. On your phone, when you open your Binance app on your phone, there's a horizontal bar. Click more. And then when you click more, I want you to scroll down until you go to the earn section. You're going to see Launchpad. So that is how you get to it on your phone. For the guys on YouTube, I'm probably sharing my screen. So you come to Launchpad and Launchpool. This is the current Launchpool. So Portal is actually a cross-chain gaming platform. I will get into it later. They want to build a website that would allow you to see all the Web3 games on the blockchain, and you would be able to choose different games on different blockchain on their platform. That is their innovation. Personally, excited to see this project in like 5 years, because this is going to be a very big project in my opinion, because they've created a platform where people who built games on Solana, people who built games on Polygon, people who built games on Avalanche, it's a cross-chain. So their platform will allow you to access all these games in different platforms. This is now the future of gaming. Their aim is to onboard more players into Web3. So one of the terms and conditions for you to be able to earn free portal tokens is to stake. And the best way I can describe staking is how Safaricom Mshwari locked account looks like. You know how when you're saving for your locked Mshwari, you can put a target amount and then you lock that money and then it earns interest on it. Same technology, but in crypto. What Binance is saying is just lock it for the period of 4 days, and you're going to be distributed for portal tokens. So there's a word here written farming. Farming is basically the period at which users will be able to acquire these tokens. So the farming period for portal, the farming was 6 days. It was starting on 22nd February and it's ending on 28th. That's what is called the farming period. Basically, the period at which the 5% allocation will be distributed. If you put your coins on day 6, you will only get enough from day 6. If you put yours from day 1, you're going to get tokens day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, day 5, day 6. Then after day 6, what happens, the farming period ends. All the 50 million portal tokens will have been distributed in the 6 days. And you can even see they're calculating hourly how much each pool is going to get. So in case you're wondering why they're called launch pools, is because people are launching their platforms to pools of people who have owned either BNB or FDUSD. Okay, and you can see the BNB pool has slightly a bit more rewards, and the FDUSD has slightly lower rewards. So that's basically why they're called launch pools. They are launching a project. Binance pulls its people in who have BNB tokens and FDUSD tokens, tells them to stake their tokens, just lock your coins, basically don't use your money, and then you will be able to get the tokens. Imagine, guys, that's it. That's it. Those are the 3 terms and conditions. Personally, they are very easy, in my opinion, because I've been making money with launch pools for the last 2 years, and I'm here to share with you guys because this has been a life-changing side hustle for me. You can see here, if you stake BNB, 40 million portal rewards are going to them, and then FDUSD, it's 10 million portals going to them. Then they're getting 80%, and FDUSD are getting 20%. Oh yes, I know what I have not shared. Staking can be done in 2 ways. There is the kienyeji way, and there's the not kienyeji way. So the not kienyeji way is when you are signing up on Binance, there's usually this part on Binance called earn. You're able to earn from your existing crypto portfolio. You're basically earning interest against your coins. And you can see all the coins are here. You can say view more, and you can see like a bunch of coins. So this is the not kienyeji way. If you have bought some Binance tokens, you can click Binance and put them on a flexible account. Binance is saying if you have the Binance token, you can come and open a fixed account or a flexible account. Flexible means you can put your money in the flexible account and you can pull it out at any time, but you see the interest rate is lower. You can put it in a fixed account, but you can see the interest is slightly higher. Why does it have a range? Because of the time horizon. If you're going to do, let's say, 120 days, that's like a long time, you'll see that your interest rate will be like 3.5%. If you're going to do like 30 days, your interest might be 0.9. So what I'm trying to say, the not kienyeji way is, as soon as you buy your crypto, come and subscribe either on flexible or fixed. Personally, during the bear market, I put it at fixed because I'm not planning to touch that money. Binance is telling you, if you have your crypto subscribed to any earn product, whether it's simple earn or fixed earn, you are automatically eligible for Launchpool rewards. So that means you can live your life every day and make some money without actually knowing how much you're making. But because you've locked your money, you automatically are part of the launch pool. Okay. And the beautiful thing is, when one launch pool ends, you get the money sent to your account. When another launch pool comes in, Binance just takes that money again. And then, so you will come, like, let me tell you, that's what happened to me the whole of last year. I remember opening my account and going like, what are all these coins? Like, who are you guys? Like, mmetoka wapi? And then I can see, oh, from launch pools, you have made this amount of money because my crypto has always been staked, like, fixed. Okay. So that's the not kienyeji way. You're using your FDUSD as your savings account, which is a stable coin, meaning it doesn't go up or down. It just depends with the dollar changes. Right now, maybe the dollar has gone down to 140. You can buy a bit of FDUSD, stake it here. Guys, always take your money. I repeat, don't keep your money in your Binance account sleeping. Then it can bring you extra coins on the side. It makes you some money. You can stake either kienyeji, where you're following up with the announcements from Binance, or you simply just put your money here. It automatically is added to the launch pool. When all these 3 things align, you can proceed to Binance Launchpool if you're doing it manually. But if your assets are already in Binance Earn, you are automatically added on the Binance Launchpool section. How do you know if it's a launch pool? We've talked about that. Binance announcements, Binance notifications. And if you're not up for that work, just take your crypto. Two important things you need to know about a launch pool is the length of the farming period. I saw a comment from a video I was watching from another creator. How much will I make from the launch pool? It's interesting because you don't know how much you will make. You will make based on how much money you've invested. You can see I've said you can opt to sell your tokens or you can keep them for future gain. I am team keep it for future gain. And see here, this is their roadmap, the milestones that they have completed. The version 1 was finished last year in Q3. Then they've partnered with Solana. Remember, I told you they want to do cross-chain gaming. Then they partnered with Polygon. Then they partnered with Avalanche. They've partnered with Clayton. Then they are introducing a gaming wallet. Magic Eden, I think, is an NFT marketplace in Solana. So the fact that you can use Portal to make payments is a good thing. This is what I was finding very interesting. They want to do Web2 game activation. So basically, they want to give debut to major Web2 activation for esports and digital collectibles with the world's biggest games. I just need to see because this sounds very big. I want to see it for myself because this is Q1 of 2024. I'm too curious to see how it performs. It's the type of coin that I will just be watching because I'm too curious. Anu has said some of the concepts she's understood is the staking and the conditions for the launch pools. Okay. Thank you guys for sticking by with me till the end of this video. I hope you have finally understood Binance launch pools and how they operate, how they work. And I hope you're going to be part of the launch pools. Every time I'm doing a video about launch pools, I want you to get on them. To share all the learnings that you've gotten from this video with other people who are in the crypto space. And if you haven't opened an account on Binance, kindly use the link in our description box down below. You're going to get free portal tokens between now and the farming period of portal, since now you know the meaning of farming period. Anyway, guys, I want to say goodbye. Please like this video and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. This is Watu Alive. Bye.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome, guys.